Hi guys, how you doing? This is just going to be a wee quick one today because I don't have much to show, but it's going to be cold for the next week or so, so I bought some fleece, put over everything, and everything looks as if it's looking okay apart from the cabbage and the turnip. These are gone. Now I thought I'd reseed, I thought I'd sown some fresh seeds, and then I thought, you know what, I've never done it, so I'm going to try it. I'm going to put seeds straight in the bed, a raw turnip that side, raw cabbage that side, see if it works better. I might still sow some seeds in the house just in case. I don't know if you can see these, the carrots are coming up. So we have to get a wee cold snap. Now I know the onions and leeks, no, that'll be okay. So what I've done is bought some fleece just to cover the the most vulnerable ones. I can see over there that some of my tansies showing out. I need to fix that, and then that'll do. A couple of days, we have to have a cold snap for a couple of days, so we'll wait and see what's happening. Okay, I'll fix that bit over there, then I'll take you inside. 2 seconds. Okay, as I said, it's not going to be a long one this week. There's not really much happening. I don't know if you can see over there, my plum tree is actually starting to blossom, and I thought to myself, why is it blossoming when there's no leaves? But seemingly plum trees, I googled it, and plum trees do blossom before the leaves come out, so I'm hoping that's okay. There's nothing really. I've moved my spare onions to the onions and spring onions. I got my grass cut. There's not really much to talk about this week. I'm going to make a sort of planter for my strawberries. I'll show you that when that's done. And in the tunnel, I've got nothing in my propagator at the moment, but the seed potatoes that I thought were past it. Look at that. So what I'm going to have to do, I think, is hopefully, oh, they're already starting to come out, the roots are coming out the bottom. So probably on Friday, that'll give them some extra days just to get things. I will transfer them to the black buckets. We've got, so this one here's got 3 and this one's got 1, so hopefully by Friday the other shoots will be up and we'll be ready to go. My cherry tomatoes don't look too good, and I maybe have to re-sow them, but my other tomatoes, my Crimson Crush, are looking really good. Really happy with them. And once I get those outside after the frost, and I'll maybe get some flowers sown. In fact, I could put some flowers in these. Flower seeds in these now. Now there's a thought, get them started. Get them ready to move over there. Actually, I might do that. And you'll see that the tomato plants are moving slightly. This is a fan that came out of a laptop. Light it up, positive to think about on an old phone charger, I think it was. And it works fine, it keeps the fresh air turning. Now, should I need to have a wee think about this? Should I do that just now? Sorry, I'm just taking you with me. I'm going to check. Every week when the wife goes shopping, this is shopping day, one of the shopping days. But every week when she goes shopping, I get the rest of the veg that we didn't use over the week and I make stock. So that's going to be stock for soup once it's all creamed to the boil and simmered away for, you know, a good couple of hours. Let me think. I think I will plant some flower seeds today just to see if it's happening. To see if I can get them going. Okay, back in a minute. Okay. The flowers that I know for a fact that I'm going to be doing this year, I'll probably do more, but is, I don't know if you can see that, Primula. Now I've never grown these before, I don't know how to sow them. It says that you sow indoors, March to July. You sow outdoors and you space them 9 inches apart in the flower May to July. Sow seeds 1/2 centimetre deep in trays of moist compost. Be careful not to overwater. Store in a warm place. Now, do you just sow these and then prick them out, or do you put them in, you know, separate? Don't know what to do. I think I'll do them in separate modules. 1 seed per module. I could be totally wrong, but that's what I'm going to do. Lobelia, Cambridge Blue, and Alison Carpet of Snow. Lots and lots of seeds. 8,000 seeds for £1. Premier Seeds Direct. Lots and lots. I don't know about these. Didn't like them last year, but I don't know. These poached eggs. We love these. We've got them out the front garden. Might do some for the back garden now. And these is saved seed of marigolds from last year. I'm going to try these to see if we can get these to work. I don't know if I'll be showing all these today, but that's the flowers that I'm going to be doing for this year. But the wife will probably want more, so we don't know. Anyway, what I'm going to do is open these. Seems to be some stuck up the top that I can't get down. Sorry, I keep thinking that you can see what I'm doing, but obviously you can't. So we'll rip these open. They're about the size of turnip seeds. So one of the wee seed trays with some modules cut and put inside. So what I'll do is I'll empty some of them. I'm going to use a set of tweezers. Pick one up and put it there. Now, I don't know if I'm doing this right. I'm probably doing it totally wrong. Well, that one went everywhere. Okay, that's 6 shown. 1/2 centimetre deep, so I will press it down. I'll put these back in here just now so as I don't lose them, but I'm going to do the other trays. And I'll just cover that up with some compost. And I'll give them a watering from the top, slight dampness as they said, and I'll put them on my propagator. Now, I've got another 2 of these, so that would be 18 altogether. If they come, if I'm doing it right, I don't know. So I'll do those other 2 of these and I'll get back to you. Okay, so that's these done. What I actually done was doubled up the seeds, so there's 2 seeds in each capsule, each module, sorry. Just in case I get some losses. But I've got more seeds there that'll sow when I get room. In my big black thing, my big black tray. So there is 12. What are they called? Primula seeds in each of these. That gives me 36 plants, possibly, but 36 plants. These, I'm going to try these lobelia seeds. Now, this is a major experiment for me because I've never done this. I don't know if I picked them at the right time. I don't know if I picked them at the wrong time. But they look like the seeds that I had, that I bought, purchased and planted, and they came up. So I'm going to try these. I'm just going to put them in here, cover them in compost and see if they grow. And if they grow, I'll plant more because then I'll know they work. So basically, again, all I'm going to do is grab a seed, basically just sit it there, like so, and then cover them in compost and put them on my propagator. Can you see them? Yeah. So, I mean, I really hope this works because then I'll never have to buy marigold seeds again. So I might get 2 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so that'll be like 16 in each tray. So we'll give it a bash and we can follow it along, see how things happen, and then, yeah, it might work, might not work. Okay, back to you soon. Okay, now we're moving on to, what's that, Limnanthes, as in poached egg. Now if I remember last year, all I done with these was sprinkled them onto compost in these trays, and they were easy enough to split up into clumps when they come up and plant them outside. So that's exactly what I'm going to do this year. These seeds are reasonably quite large. I don't know, maybe 2 mil, 3 mil, which is quite good. So I might get all of these in one tray. Aye, actually that's just what I'm going to do. I'm just going to throw them all in one tray. And cover them up. I'll put compost in over the top of them. Give them a good water and get them on the propagator. Right, so that gives me a spare tray so far. I'm going to leave the lobelia until I get my potatoes in their pots, big black pots out the road, and then I can put the full tray. I think it holds 24 cells, can't remember. I think it's 24, no, could be more. Anyway, that's what the lobelia and alyssum in, but I'll wait till I get my potatoes out, which will probably be end of the week or the beginning of next week. We'll see. Right, so I'll just mark that up as poached egg. And that is me done for today, I think. Just to tidy up now, need to mark that thing. And the good thing about poached eggs, we had them in our old house, in the house before that. The good thing about poached eggs is they reseed themselves. So once you've got them in the ground, you don't have to keep buying them every year because they just reseed themselves. Okay, and that's a spare tray. We'll get that up there as well. See this blue mat? It's the best £13 I've ever spent. It gets abused, it gets heated with the heat gun, it gets compost on it with the... Sorry, I'm doing stuff on and about using, you just can't see what I'm doing. It gets... And it's non-static, so nothing sticks to it that way, which is really good. And this is really cool as well, maybe a bit loud. Basically what that's for is, say you get a computer in to fix, or a PlayStation or an Xbox or whatever, you open it up and it's quite dusty. Rechargeable, takes it away there and then, excellent. Anyway, that's me for today. I'll give them a water and get them started up, and I'll see you next week. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.